It's the most important problem. So here x plus by is equals to a minus b and bx minus ay is equals to a plus b are the two equations. We need to find out the value of x and y. So by the cross multiplication method, x divided by value, the y divided by the value and constant divided by the value what we have taken here. So x divided by the coefficients of y we will take first. So b in minus a. The coefficients of y are b and minus a, and constants are minus of a minus b minus of a plus b. Let us recall, coefficients of y are b minus a and constants are minus a minus b minus of a plus b. Reason is, when we transpose this to left hand side, it becomes minus of a minus b. This becomes minus of a plus b. So for y, the coefficients of x are a, b, and constants are minus of a minus b and minus of a plus b. Here, coefficients of x are a, b, and coefficients of y are b minus a. Coefficients of these two are coefficients of y and constants, coefficients of x and constants, coefficients of x and coefficients of y. So let us do cross multiplication of these two and these two terms. Cross multiplication and cross multiplication we are doing for all the three terms, and after doing cross multiplication, let us subtract them. X by minus a plus b into b minus a minus b into a. Reason is, minus into minus, it becomes plus. These two minus are gone, but when we are subtracting these two values, there is a minus symbol here. And y by, when we multiply this both, minus a plus b into a minus, there is a minus for this value, a minus b into b. And for constant, 1 by a into minus a minus b into b. So x by, when we simplify this part, minus is the same when we multiply with b, ab plus b square, minus when we multiply this both, a square minus ab is equals to y by, minus is same when we multiply these two, a into a square plus ab minus, there is a minus symbol, this minus minus, it becomes plus, then a into b, ab, minus b into b, b square. Here, 1 by a into a square, plus into minus minus, b into b, b square, that is minus b square. Let us simplify this one. When we multiply with minus, it becomes x by minus ab minus b square plus into minus minus plus into minus minus. Here, when we multiply with the minus, minus a square minus into minus plus ab. Here, when we multiply with minus, minus into plus, minus a square, this is minus ab, this is plus, symbols will not be changed. AB minus B square equals to 1 by minus A square minus B square. So let us simplify this one. So the value of x by minus AB minus B square minus A square plus AB equals to y by minus A square minus AB plus AB minus B square equals to 1 by minus A square minus B square we got after simplification of this. Here there is plus AB minus AB get cancelled, plus AB minus AB get cancelled. Then after that x by minus B square minus A square equals to y by minus A square minus B square, that is equals to 1 by minus A square minus B square. When we equate the value of this to constant and the value of y to the constant, we get two values, and when we simplify those two values we get x and y values. So take the first one, x by minus b square minus a square equals to 1 by minus a square minus b square. X by minus b square minus a square equals to 1 by minus a square minus b square. When we do here cross multiplication, x into minus a square minus b square equals to minus b square minus a square into 1 is the same value. And when we take minus common here, minus, it becomes a square plus b square is equals to, when we take minus common in this, b square plus a square. When we cancel minus on both the sides, it becomes x into a square plus b square equals to a square plus b square. The value of x is equals to a square plus b square divided by a square plus b square. When we cancel this, we get answer 1 because these both are same values. So the value of x is 1. When we simplify the second part, y by minus a square minus b square is equals to 1 by minus a square minus b square. When we do cross multiplication of it, y into minus a square minus b square is equals to 1 into minus a square minus b square. So here, when we take minus common, a square plus b square minus we have taken common, that is a square plus b square. Cancel minus on both the sides, we get y into a square plus b square equals to a square plus b square. The value of y is equals to a square plus b square divided by a square plus b square. After simplification, after cancellation of this, we will get value 1 because both the values are same. Let's find out the value of y. Y by minus a square minus b square is equals to 1 by minus a square minus b square. We need to take the value of y as minus, as we have done in the previous problem. In the formula we have minus y by the coefficients of x and the constant values. So when we take the value of minus, here y, value will get here minus y. Then when we equate this minus y by minus a square equals to 1 by minus a square minus b square. Let us recall the formula. We have minus y by coefficients of x and constant values, the previous slide. That is, when we cross multiply this, we will get the values. So here we get minus value. So minus y by minus a square minus b square equals to 1 by minus a square minus b square. So when we simplify this, y by take the minus value common, minus a square plus b square equals to minus a square minus b square. So let us cancel minus on both the sides, the numerator and denominator. Y by a square plus b square equals to 1 by, then we have taken minus common, and this, there is a minus a square plus b square. So it becomes minus y by, when we take a minus common, a square plus b square, 1 by, when we take a minus common, a square plus b square. So let us cancel minus numerator and denominator. It becomes y by a square plus b square is equals to 1 by minus into a square plus b square. Then we do cross multiplication of it. After simplification of this, a square plus b square divided by minus into a square plus b square. After simplification of this, and there is same value in the numerator and denominator, cancel this, then there is a value of 1, and but here there is a negative value, so negative symbol, value of y is equals to minus 1, the value of x is equals to 1. So the value of x and y are 1 and minus 1.